To that please click notification button, the like button. Also give this video to your subscribers down to give crack for it. And today, I am going to be doing an American Girl doll unboxing. So today is December 23rd. Tomorrow is my birthday. Shout out to me. Yeah. But yeah, I got a bunch of American Girl doll stuff today, so I'm going to show you. So this is the new American Girl doll that just came out. Her name is Claudie.
No,
So,
it's Claudia.
Oh, Claudia. Claudia?
It's Claudie, yeah.
Claudie.
I say Claudia at first.
Yeah, I have a hard time pronouncing this. Sorry, guys, if I said it wrong. But yeah, this is the new one that came out. So we're gonna box each packet one by one. First starting with the doll. And if you notice the background has changed, it's because me and my mom had switched to an Airbnb. You know what that is? You know. I have some scissors, so I'm just gonna some scissors just in case. And my mom thought this didn't come with a book, but every American Girl doll you get comes with a book. See, Mom?
Yeah.
It comes with a book. I'll be probably reading this later. I don't know. Let me sit back a little bit because whoa. So I'm amazed.
I don't know how that happened.
But for some reason, she has a hole in the side. I don't know if I accidentally cut that. I think I accidentally cut that. It's okay.
It's not okay. Just make sure you be careful.
Come on. Because these are very expensive. Is it ready? No, it's not ready to come out.
Please don't break nothing, please.
So, I'm so excited. I haven't done an unboxing in a while for you guys. I really haven't.
I feel like she's so loud.
But
because we in this Airbnb.
Yeah. So I haven't done an unboxing in a while.
Just checking out things.
Guys. Hi, I'm Claudia. Claudia, I don't know, Claudie, whatever. I don't know how you pronounce her name. It's either Claudia or Claudie. Her hair is gonna be stuck up for a while, I guess, because it's been in this wrap for who knows.
Don't work. Okay, so
how long.
You have to plug that up.
But well, it's not. No.
I'm just gonna sit this. I thought our luggage will be outside. So there's another
my gosh.
Right here.
Claudia, you are amazing.
So this is...
She is so pretty. Just don't mind the sock hole. I wish I had some sewing tools, but time for the rest of the unboxing. So we have an outfit for her. And we also have a coat. I had to get her a fur coat because she's vintage. She's a vintage doll from like the 19 somethings. She's from 1922. But she's not specifically from the year 1922, because you know that's old. She's not specifically from the year 1922.
How many times?
Because it just came. Because it just came out. Sorry about my mom. Because they just came out with her. They just made it old school.
Baby, can you push up?
So this is the dress. It's really pretty. It has like a little rose. Cool. So this is the coat. I really like it. I was going to change her. But I'm loving her outfit. I don't know if I want to change her yet. But it is Christmas time, so. Yeah. Yeah, this is her dress and her coat. This is not with her set, though. If you know the doll, you know. Let's get the dog. That is from a different doll set. I don't have the doll that goes with that outfit set. So this comes with a mini, sorry about that. It comes with a mini book about her, like a little mini thing, you can read it. Turns out, she liked baking, and she loves music, and she loves to dance. I'm not gonna spoil it for you guys, and this is the dog. If y'all haven't got the doll yet. And this did not come with the doll, but I did get a little American Girl doll sticker. If y'all saw. And I did get a magazine that views all the dolls. And when I say all of them, I mean all of the American Girl dolls. They're all featured in this one simple book. And Claudia, or Claudie, her from my saying that right, she was featured in the book. I'm waiting because I started doing this yesterday. I mean today, not yesterday. Hold on, let me find her. Okay, so I found her. This is all the dolls together, and Claudia is featured right here. And this is not a part of the American Girl doll video, but I did get my birthday Build-A-Bear. Let me take the sticker off though. But I did get the Build-A-Bear. Yeah! It's so freaking cute. And this is how Claudia looks in her vintage outfit. And let me do a little transition. Well, let me do just do a little transition. Boom. Why is my doll falling? Stand up. Okay, let's be for real. I'm gonna do the transition. So that's how she looks. So she has on her black shoes with white socks. This is the after. And her little white dress with red flowers all over it. Her white fur coat. I love her hair. She has a blue bow to complement the whole outfit. bring it together, and you can see her little shorts underneath. I did put shorts underneath it because you can't see underneath her dress. Just coverage. So, and I put all her little old clothes in this bag and as well the hangers that it came with. But this is what she looks like. I wish she had like a little leash to walk her dog. But this is what they look like. It's so cute. But yeah, thank you guys for watching this video of unboxing my American Girl doll. Hope you guys enjoyed. Bye guys. Peace out. Peace.